In this video I will show you how to transfer all your data from Android smartphone to your iPhone. It's really very simple. In case you have a brand new iPhone and you are on the setup page, you don't need to do anything, you're all set to go. But if you're already using your iPhone, then you need to go to settings and reset or erase your iPhone. Erase all contents and settings and erase your iPhone completely, so that you go to the setup page. So let me give the iCloud password and just sign out and just erase the iPhone completely. By this transfer you will get all your contacts, messages, photos and everything that you need onto your iPhone from your Android device directly. So this is a very helpful method. Do give it a try, and please subscribe this channel and give this video a like. I'll really appreciate it. Now as you can see, we are on the setup page on the iPhone. Now we will proceed with the normal setup. Choose your country. Set up manually. Next, choose your Wi-Fi. Connect to your Wi-Fi. And over onto your Android phone, connect to the same Wi-Fi network. Now proceed with your touch code, passcode, everything. And when you are onto this page, you will see the option move data from Android, the third option. Choose that option, and you will need to download an app from the Google Play Store on your Android device, iOS 2. Move to iOS app. Install it. Open the app and continue. Give the permissions. Now press continue on your iOS device and you will get a code over there. Now enter that code onto your Android device. Allow once. Give all the permission it needs. Give all the permission it needs. Okay, the process has been started and it's connecting. Yeah, it's connected now and it's preparing for the transfer. This gives you additional benefit, like you can choose what you want to transfer. And if you want to transfer everything, you select all the things and press next. And it's starting. And it's already started transferring, and it will take a little amount of time, maybe a small amount of time depending on your data volume. Now as you can see, the transfer is complete and we have successfully transferred all the data from Android to my iPhone. Now it's time to start the iPhone and check it out whether I have received all the data that I wanted or not. So here we go. So you can sign into your Apple ID right now or do that later. That's your choice. I'll not do right now. I'll do later. So I'll just start my iPhone. So it's asking whether you want your apps that were present on your Android device to be present on your iPhone as well. So click on yes if you want them. I'll click on yes because I need them. And look over to my gallery. Yes, all the photos are also there. And look over to my contacts. Okay, everything is there. So basically everything that you want to transfer, you will get it over onto your iPhone from your Android phone. And this is the easiest, by far the easiest way to transfer all your data from your Android device to any iPhone device, especially when you're switching over to iPhone from an Android device. So hope you like this video. Please share this video, give this video a like, and please subscribe to the channel, and I will keep on coming with more useful stuffs. Thank you for supporting, and we'll see in the next video.